In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hostinger password. By the end, you'll confidently recover access to your account in just a few minutes with a clear understanding of what to expect at each step. First, head to Hostinger's Forgot Password page. You can get there from the login screen by selecting the Forgot Password option or by navigating directly if you have the link. This page is designed specifically for account recovery, so you're in the right place. Next, enter the email address linked to your Hostinger account. This should be the same email you used when you signed up or the one where you receive Hostinger notifications. Take a moment to double check for typos. Mistakes like missing letters or using the wrong inbox are the most common reasons people don't get the reset email. If you manage multiple emails, choose the one you regularly use for Hostinger. Click Send Reset Email. You'll see a confirmation on the page letting you know the message is on its way. Give it a minute or two to arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh your inbox and check folders like spam or promotions, as automated emails can sometimes land there. Open the reset email from Hostinger and click the reset link inside. For your security, that link typically works only for a limited time and usually for a single use. Make sure you're clicking it on the device where you plan to complete the reset and avoid forwarding it to anyone else. Now create a new password. Choose something strong and unique. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store it safely so you won't have to memorize it. Confirm the new password and save your changes. Finally, log in again with your new password. If your browser or password manager tries to autofill the old one, replace it with the updated password and save the new entry so you don't run into the same issue later. One important note: if you normally sign in with Google, Facebook, or GitHub, you won't reset your password on Hostinger's page. Instead, manage your password through the security or recovery settings of that social account. Then return to Hostinger and sign in using that same continue with option. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Follow these steps and you'll be back in your Hostinger account without missing a beat.